In this video, I'm going to show you how to do some ratio reasoning using a tape diagram to answer a question about ratios. So the problem says a zoo always wants to keep a 5:3 ratio of pounds of food to monkeys to ensure they have enough food at all times. Using a tape diagram, determine how many pounds of food the zoo should have if they have 21 monkeys. So with a tape diagram, we're going to start out by drawing a tape diagram with the original ratio that we're dealing with. So we have pounds of food and monkeys. So the ratio is 5:3, so I'm going to draw 5 boxes with the food, because that's the ratio is 5:3 pounds of food to monkeys. All right, so 5 boxes there, and then 3 boxes for the monkeys. So that's our original ratio, 5:3. Now we need to determine how many pounds of food the zoo should have if they have 21 monkeys. So we know that we have 21 monkeys, and we're trying to figure out how many pounds of food. So we're going to take what we know, and we're going to divide it into the appropriate number of boxes. So we know that there's 21 monkeys, and since each of these boxes here is representing our monkeys, we need to take this 21 and divide it evenly into those boxes. So all of these boxes together are going to equal 21. And since there's 3 boxes to divide 21 evenly, I'm going to put 7 into each of those boxes. Now, in order for our ratio to remain equivalent, whatever I put into these boxes, I also have to put into each of these boxes. So I figured out that each box is worth 7. So I'm going to put 7 in each of the boxes for food. All right, and so to figure out how many pounds of food, I'm simply going to multiply 7 times those 5 boxes, which is 35 pounds of food. So the answer to our question, how many pounds of food should the zoo have? The zoo should have 35 pounds of food for 21 monkeys. All right, so a ratio of 5:3 is equivalent to a ratio of 35 to 21.